This video will show you how we use Harper to differentiate, a feature that I think will be lost when we have to move to Google Classroom. As we've gone through these above cards, which have been changed in place, we go past these sections. These sections are moved up to be right in front of learners. However, this is where the differentiation really kicks in. In this section, you can see in the evidence area, there are 1, 2, 3 different levels of essays. Those levels of essays will only pop up for specific learners. I'll show you how that works over here. We've got the advanced writing group, which is made up of these learners. We've got the writing group, which is made up of these learners. We've got the basic learning group, which is made up of these learners. And we've got the ultra basic, which is made up of these learners. This ability to do this easily will be lost in the movement. It will mean we will be telling, this is my understanding as stated by another head of learning, that we'll have to set up either different areas or different classrooms for them to go into. We will find it harder to actually set these up. This, I feel, would set our pedagogical approach to our differentiation and our teaching of literacy back within the faculty.